Hey guys, and welcome to House of Dolls TV. Today we're telling the story of Sleeping Beauty, played by LOL Kitty. The dolls are going to try and wake her up. Do you think they'll be successful, or do you think she'll sleep right through? Hey guys, and welcome to my bedroom. My name's Kitty, and my favorite thing to do in the whole wide world is sleep. Kitty, wake up. Oh, she sleeps so much. Let's see if I play a song, if she'll wake up. This is the song that never ends. Yes, it goes on and on, my friends. Some people started singing it, not knowing what it was. Kitty? Maybe someone else will have better luck waking her up. Kitty, it's time to get up. Do you think if I jump on her bed, she might wake up? You do? Let's try. Bounce, 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 bounce. Kitty. Well, that didn't work so well. Maybe someone else will have better luck. Good morning, Kitty. What do you think we should do to wake her up? Should we throw things at her? No. Should we sing her a song? Oh wait, we already tried that. Or jump on the bed? We already tried that too. I have an idea. Kitty, cupcakes. Cupcakes? There's cupcakes? There's lots of cupcakes. Oh yay, I love cupcakes. I'm so excited. I know you love cupcakes. All right, Kitty, let's go get some. All right. There's only one thing I love more than sleeping, and it's cupcakes. Cupcakes. Come on, let's go. These are the best cupcakes. Yeah, they were super good, Kitty. Kitty? Not again. Thanks for watching, guys, and be sure to check the description box below to learn how to make your own storybook dollhouse. Make sure to subscribe and like the video. Bye!